Okay guys, grid life prep. Let's get this thing Castrol liveried up for grid life, and I'm just gonna time lapse it, so let's jump in. All right, guys, finished result. We got Kevin finishing it up. Ace Aesthetics, absolutely. If you guys need wrap stuff in Charlotte, out of Charlotte, drive here. He's worth it. Look at this thing. Look at this thing. Kevin, the precision. It's just, again, everyone, let's say thank you, Kevin. But seriously, just take a look at all this. I mean, the Castrol livery, this is exactly what I was looking for. You got the gray and the silver, you got the monochromatic look. Kevin worked around all of the rubber seals. Like, this is not easy stuff to keep clean. And take a look at what it looks like all together. But seriously, hot damn, like, come on, the car looks absolutely perfect. Now, once we get to grid life, we'll go ahead and get the race stickers on, the numbers and all that fun stuff, but we're finally pretty much ready, and I'm really excited for this. So again, Kevin, you've absolutely killed it. Look at this, look at this. He's covering the trunk holes because I'm an idiot, and dang, that actually looks freaking perfect. That is wow, what a perfect solution. Damn, son. Yep, right here. Absolutely killed it. Seriously, guys, when you need wrapped stuff, hit up Kevin, Ace Aesthetics on Instagram, all the things. He's working here at, he does all these really cool, fancy cars out here at the dealer. And then he's got his shop where he does stuff like this. Stupid stuff. But yeah, this is the guy, man. Seriously, you guys absolutely killed it. Thank you guys for watching. I'll be back for grid life prep, or rather actually just driving the car in grid life. So see you guys soon. Peace.